Guangzhou ORCL Medical Company Limited is a professional supplier of medical supplies. The company's philosophy stems from the practice of clinicians to serving doctors and patients. Specialized in anesthesia, urinary, respiratory, epidemic prevention, and other fields of innovative medical equipment research and development, production, and sales, is the National High-Tech Enterprises. Products are widely used in clinical medical fields such as operation, treatment, first aid, and nursing. Our products have passed the CE ISO 13485 certification. Products are 100% tested before shipment in order to ensure quality. We have professional engineer support, efficient sales team, and competitive price advantage, attracting customers from all over the world. We export to over 20 countries, including Europe, Middle East, Japan, Philippines, Russia, USA, Mexico, Brazil, India. After 12 years of development, we have made great progress with GMP 100,000 level purification workshop, 3,300 square meters, laboratory 200 square meters, equipped with injection molding machine, blow molding machine, extruder, automatic assembly machine, packaging machine, and other automatic machinery and semi-automatic machinery. Our R&D department provides strong technical support, which enables us to accept some OEM, ODM projects. Our production capacity is highly efficient, and we can produce 30,000 units per day. Look forward to your inquiry and cooperation.